Touch Media to access the media screen. You can also operate media using the steering wheel controls or the voice system. Use the media control to switch the system on and off or adjust the volume. Touch the Settings icon and then select the audio settings to adjust the bass, treble and subwoofer levels. If equipped with Meridian Surround or Meridian Signature Surround sound, you can select multiple sound profiles. Touch Source to access the Select Source screen. Touch Radio to listen to the radio. Touch Band to change the radio band. Use the Find option to search for stations by list, frequency input or genre. Both Station List and Genre display a list of stations. Select your chosen station from the list. Touch the Favorites icon to save the station to your favourites. Portable media devices need to be connected via the portable media sockets. These are located as shown. Once connected, select the displayed device. Use the Find option to search the media library. While playing videos, touch the image to view the playback controls. Touch the Zoom icon to adjust the view.